Hi guys, tracing this key E3 smartwatch for viewing purposes. It has a military design which I quite like. It's really nice. And here we've got the user manual and some information and all that you need to know. Okay, how to connect it, how to enable the Bluetooth call, stuff like that. So it's really nice. User manual, basic stuff. And here we got the charging cable. It uses this magnet style charger, which is nice. This is the proper smartwatch. It's really nice. I love that it has buttons and stuff like that. So let's open it. This is how it looks. It's really nice. It has mechanical buttons, as I've said, so it's really nice. You can turn them, press them, stuff like that. Okay, so I'm gonna short it a bit and let's see how it works. Okay, it's asking my language. I'm gonna place English and I'm gonna use the application. I've already downloaded, so here it is. Search now. This is it. Select it. Here. Accept it. It's binding. Just we press that. Allow and okay. We can select different configurations in here, different styles of watch faces. You can even put a wallet with PayPal, stuff like that. A business card for your like if you wanna introduce yourself. Some alarms, push notifications. I've got I'm gonna place Instagram, Messenger, WhatsApp, notifications, also email. We have a drink water reminder, which is really nice. I've activated the weather reports, the race awake, how it works, and it's really nice because you can well adjust it to every need you have. I'm gonna place it. It's really startling, which is something I like a lot. Okay, as you can see, this is how it looks. Here we got some options. The heart rate, the weather, the music. We can add data and the workout function. And in here we can see all the different applications we've got, which is really nice to have all these options. Okay, so it's really nice that you can configure it however you want it. And another thing is, as you can see, I have this menu here. In here I can turn on this LED lamp, as you can see, which is really nice. Turn it off, have it on power save mode, stuff like that. So as you can see, it's really nice. I like a lot that you can well track your movement, stuff like that, when you are working out, making exercise, so you know how much calories you burn, stuff like that. So I would really recommend it. It's really easy to pair with your cell phone. It's really nice. So yeah.